Hello Life Experience users, we are now going to look at making Chicken Saagwala. You will need young spinach, chicken thighs pieces, 1 chopped onion, chopped ginger and garlic, 1 chopped tomato, and for spices you will need bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, star anise, green cardamom, some cloves, and some fennel seeds. Now let's begin. Firstly, take a pot and put it on medium heat. Add generous amount of cooking oil to it and leave it in the pot until the oil is heated properly. Now once the oil is heated, we can start adding our spices. First add the bay leaf, then add green cardamom, then comes star anise, followed by black cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, and fennel seeds. Now make sure that you stir and mix the spices thoroughly in the cooking oil. This will ensure that the cooking oil extracts all those delicious flavors from the spices. So the next thing to add is chopped ginger and garlic. While this is cooking, we will talk a little bit about saag. What does saag actually mean? It's simple. Saag means any greens. In North India, mustard greens are commonly used as saag. However, you can use any greens, and as I've already said, we are going to use young spinach for this dish. So after a few minutes, you will notice that the chopped ginger and garlic have turned golden brown in color. It's now time to add chopped onions to the mix and then mix them thoroughly with the cooking oil and the spices. Once the chopped onions become golden brown in color, it is now time to add some more spices. We will first start with some grounded turmeric. Then we will add some chili powder. Then some chicken garam masala. Add salt as per the taste. And then mix it thoroughly so that all the spices, onions, ginger, garlic, and the cooking oil are now all mixed together. Now add some chopped tomatoes and again mix them thoroughly. Now finally we can add some chicken thigh pieces. Then add some more salt for taste and again mix the chicken and the spices and the ingredients below thoroughly. Once the chicken is thoroughly mixed, it is now time to add the main ingredient of this dish, which is the blended young spinach. This will give us the rich green color to our dish. As always, now mix the saag and the chicken thoroughly so that everything is now coming together in the pot. Add some lime juice for taste. This is optional. Add 2 spoons of yogurt. Now mix the yogurt thoroughly. After about 15 minutes, open the pot and check if the chicken is cooked. So now our chicken saagwala is cooked and ready to eat. So now you can serve it in a bowl or a dish. And that's it. Our healthy and delicious dish is now ready. You can eat it with naan bread, roti, normal bread, or rice. The options are endless. This is the first time I have made this dish, so if I can do it, there is no reason why you can't give it a go as well. If you like this recipe and the video, feel free to show some love by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, or subscribing to the Life Experience channel. That's all for now. Take care and enjoy.